Hello everyone, and in this video we will add the sky as I mentioned. So yeah, let's just do that really quick. If you remember when we jump into the world settings, we basically use the Sprute Sunrise HDRI. There is actually a built-in node in Blender that can simulate the sky. I will cut this selection by hitting Ctrl and dragging over it. And if we go to Shift A and go to sky, there is this sky texture. I will plug it into color and I will go to film and basically uncheck this option, transparent. And it is just a matter, you can adjust the sun intensity right here. So for example, this is kind of a sunset look or something. You can experiment with it, but for now, I will stick to my HDRI because it gave me better results. So I will just plug it into the color and make sure to check transparent. The method that we will be using is just importing an image of a sky and put it really far in the background. One of my favorite is Unsplash, so if you just look for dark sky, you will find plenty of really nice pictures taken by professional photographers. Just pick one that works for you, maybe change the rotation from any orientation to landscape. And here, as you can see, there are plenty of different options, plenty of different really nice pictures that you can use. I really like this blue color right here. So I will go to download and I will original size. Make sure to download it as high res as possible. If not, you can basically just find it inside of the resources folder. Go to Shift A, image as planes, blends. It is probably inside the resources folder and it is called Storm Seeker. I will get back of this view and scale it way up, way up. The sky should be huge. I will just hit 7 to move it and make sure to make it aligned with the direction of this camera. So it's going to be something like this. I will probably put it somewhere right here. Let's hit 0. It is a little bit too small. We need to scale it even up. So let's just do that, scale it, hit 0, and maybe right now we can move it really far. Let's hit 0, and we need probably to change the clipping of our camera. Let's get back to the camera. Let's add another 0 to it. I will take it a little bit up, make it a little bit further maybe also. Somewhere here, 0. And the thing that I'm gonna do right now is to rotate it a little bit on the x-axis, because in the real world, the upper part of this sky should be closer to the camera. So I will hit R, X twice, and just rotate it slightly like this, just to give it like some kind of more distortion. Maybe bring it a little bit up to something like this. And that's looking super good, I guess. The thing that I'm gonna do right now is basically to go to the shader settings by going to object, and I'm gonna change a couple of settings right here. First of all, I don't need the alpha because there is no alpha for this picture. And I'm gonna plug, or actually before that, let's add a hue and saturation node, hue saturation, and I'm just gonna reduce the saturation to something like 0.5. So it is kind of more flat, maybe let's try 0.7. And I'm gonna plug it also into the emission, which is a little bit down right here. Let's take color and plug it into emission. And probably I will have to change the emission strength to something like 0.4 will be good. And maybe add a little bit of saturation, something like 0.8. That's even better. It is looking pretty good. Let's just drop it a little bit down. And as you can see, there is a little bit of clipping going just right here. So to fix that issue, let's just probably, I'm not gonna duplicate this another time, so I will just maybe take my camera, lock camera to view, and just zoom slightly just to hide it. Yeah, and this is perfect. That's really nice. And that's basically it for almost everything. So yeah, see you in the next video.